Hello friends. How are you all? Welcome to our new CSS training session. Today, we will talk about CSS. You may have heard of CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is a language that helps us define how HTML elements should be styled and displayed on web pages. It gives web designers and developers the power to separate content, HTML, from presentation, CSS, which improves a website's maintainability and accessibility. Now, why should we use CSS? Well, one reason is the separation of content and design. CSS allows you to keep your HTML content clean and semantically structured while focusing on visual presentation. Another benefit is consistency. Once you define a style in CSS, you can apply it to multiple elements or pages, giving your website a uniform look. Next, there's flexibility. CSS offers a wide range of properties and values, providing many design options. Then, we have responsiveness. With modern techniques like media queries, CSS ensures that websites adapt to various screen sizes and devices. Now, let's look at the key components of CSS. First, we have selectors, which point to specific HTML elements to apply styles. Then there are properties, characteristics like color, width, or font size that you want to modify. Values are specific settings you assign to properties. In terms of basic syntax, a typical CSS style rule consists of two main parts: a selector and a declaration block. In the first block, you'll see the selector, followed by some properties and values. For example, the p tag, paragraph tag, is a selector. Inside it, we can define properties like color with a value, say red. This means the text color should be red. Another property might be font size, with a value of 16px. This way, we apply syntax rules to set CSS styles. Moving on to prerequisites for CSS, it's helpful to know a few things beforehand. First, a basic understanding of HTML is essential, as CSS styles HTML content. Knowing how to structure an HTML document is important. Also, knowledge of how web browsers render web content is beneficial. To conclude, CSS is a vital part of modern web design, bringing websites to life with vibrant colors, layouts, and responsive designs. Throughout this course, we will explore some important and interesting concepts of CSS. So that was an introduction to CSS. If you have more questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.